I wanted to quickly demystify the notion of critical reflection. Let's break down the critical reflection process into 4 easy steps. After you've chosen a topic, step 1 is to observe. Step 2 is to refer to the documentation, like the NQS. Step 3 is to plan and implement. And step 4 is to evaluate and reassess. Let's have a closer look at each of these steps. When we do step 1, observation, the key thing to remember is that we need to look at what is happening with an open mind. Pretend you're standing outside your room looking in through the window, recording what you see. For example, if my topic is children's access to learning environments, then what I observe and record is what I see and hear. I might see doors closed with handles too high for children to reach, or I might hear noise levels high within the room. Maybe I see children standing looking at the glass door, or I might hear children asking to be let outside. I might record that children are running around the furniture, or I might see educators looking stressed. I'm recording what I see and hear. I'm not forming any opinions. When I get to step 2, I would refer to the documents that may relate to this topic. I would look at things such as the NQS and look for things like 1.2.3, which discusses child-directed learning, or 3.2.1, which discusses having an inclusive environment. Or I may even refer to the Cancer Council of Australia to find documentation relating to sun safety and UV guidelines. I may refer to the UN Rights of the Child, Article 31, a child's right to play. Shh! The point here is to remember that this step is factual information. Opinions and blogs are interesting, but professionals should not be the basis for improving practices. Step 3 is planning and implementing specific actionable steps. What are you going to do? When are you going to do it? How are you going to do it? Who is going to do it? When will it be evaluated for successful outcomes being achieved? Which path does the documentation say we should take? So when you get to step 4, you need to evaluate what you implemented in step 3. If you did it result in improved outcomes for children? Again, then take the observatory role, looking back through that window into the room. Record what you see occurring, what you see and hear. Has what you've changed improved outcomes for children? So there you have it, the 4 steps of critical reflection. Remember, critical reflection is a way to make things better for you and the children in your care.